Welcome to FanDuel for Beginners, a fast, step-by-step 60-second walkthrough. Download the FanDuel app or visit fanduel.com and tap Sign Up. Enter your email, create a strong password, and verify your phone number. Complete identity verification with your name, birth date, and last four of your SSN. Open the wallet, choose a deposit method, enter an amount, then confirm the deposit. Return to the lobby to browse Sportsbook, DFS, and promotions. Check filters and search. Understand contest types, cash games for steady wins, and tournaments for big prize pools. Tap a contest to view entry fee, prize breakdown, roster size, and start time. Build your lineup, sort players, respect the salary cap, and use suggestions or swaps. Lock your lineup, double-check roster, then submit before lock to enter the contest. Watch live scoring, use in-app cash out when offered, or wait for final results. Withdraw winnings from wallet to your bank or PayPal. Play responsibly and good luck.